Hello, this video is showing Course B, Lesson 5 to Lesson 7. Please watch this video for now. We'll continue after that. I'll help you on this one. Do you remember our friend? Oh, if you do, you'll probably do it on yourself. What are you saying? You're saying repeat 3 east. Alright, I got you. Then you're saying pick a coin. Well, let's see what happens. Yay! Now I'll help you with the last two. 14 and 15. Here what you are saying. You're saying to put a repeat loop of. Aha, did I hear you say 2? And how many times? 2, yes. And which direction? South. Got it. Then you're saying pick coin. Inside or out of the loop? You're saying in. Aren't you? I hope I'm hearing you right. Next you're saying west. Then you're saying pick a coin. Alright. Yay, we did it. Now 15. Are you confused? Well, if you are still you're happy. I'm there. Oh, you're saying east, then another east, then pick coin. Got it. Let's just get you a coin. Then you're saying to put a repeat loop if you have one. Let's hope I do. Yay. Now what we do? You're saying south for direction and pick coin inside the loop again. Alright. Yay! Now please watch this video. Till then, we'll go on to lesson 7. Help the harvester pick all the coin. Alright. You're saying to repeat 3 times east and pick coin. You'll see if it works or not. Oh, see, this is the number of how many blocks you can use. So if that's the thing, you'll need to use a repeat loop, won't you? Oh, so now you're saying 3. Alright, and then in east and pick coin. Because look, if I use just one more and kept it here, nothing will happen. But if I kept it somewhere in the code, an exclamation mark comes, which is not a good sign. That's why you should use the repeat loop while you can. Now you're saying to get another repeat loop, and this time the number will be, just 2. Alright. You're saying north. If it's 2, you're using a repeat loop of 2 and just 1 block is in it, don't worry, you can also put that block 2 times. Because still, 2 blocks will be used. Now, as you're putting 2, instead of using 4 blocks for this, why not use 3? Let's see if it works. Yay! And now you're saying to do... Oh, you're saying you remember it? Well, alright. So now you can guide. Oh, not 2, sorry. My bad. Then you're saying west. And then you're saying Oh, a big coin. In or out? Out. In. Alright. I was expecting out. But if you remember, you know the best. Then you're saying 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it. Not 5 because this coin is already taken by this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you're saying 4 times south, did I hear you say? Okay, while picking a coin. Got it. Let's see if it works. Yay, it works. I'll meet you next time.